What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Sneakerhead on a budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Don't give it a like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel out. We're trying to get to 1K budget, fam. Let's get it. Cue the intro.
Catch me, I'm ballin'. Catch me, I'm ballin'. Catch me like Spalding. Catch me like Rollins. If he indeed the MC, vitamin like GNC. Can't see me like B.I.G. on CMT. Did a little bit of time on B.
Alright, budget fam. Well, boom. There's a sneaker that's going to release really soon that I think you guys are sleeping on. And people are already calling these bricks. But guess what? Your boy got them in early. And we're going to check them out and see what these are about. So let's go ahead and open these up real quick like. Now I know before I open this up, this shoe had some hype on it earlier. I know if you guys remember the Travis Scotts that released a similar colorway. This reverse, so when these first came out, people kind of thought it was going to be an alternate Travis Scott colorway. Ended up not being that way, and because of that, just like other things, people not feeling it no more. So we're definitely going to check out this shoe, and I'm going to tell you guys are sleeping on this shoe, and let's bring it out right now. So what about is these Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Now let's go ahead and look at the box. You know your boy already likes the different boxes. Nike went with the white and red box on this one, which is inverted of the original box. So Nike went with a white and red box, similar to the original. This is really dusty, it's been sitting up there. The original black and red box. It's essentially the same shoe. Let me just clean this. I did as good as I can. It's essentially the same shoebox, but the black has been turned to white. And I think that's the same vibe you get with the shoe as well as the box. So let's go ahead and check out the shoe. Woo! So, as you get the regular white paper, as it always is, and we're gonna bust out the shoe right here. So, as we get the shoe, I love that new shoe smell, though.
Boy, if you don't get...
I love that shoe. So, so as you get this shoe, we look at it, there is some nice leather on this. There's tumble leather on the toe. It's just regular leather here on the side. Nothing too special. I kind of wish they went a little bit more with it, but they didn't. And that's fine. There's tumbled leather here on the side, and there's tumbled leather on the swoosh. So the rest of the shoe has some really good quality. As you see right there, there's some really good quality to this. And this shoe is like really, really good. I actually dig it. Now I'm trying to look for some, obviously we always look for mismarkings, anything. And aside from some loose thread that I kind of see here, I don't see anything too crazy on this shoe. So again, oh, there's some glue markings on some of this, but you know, kind of is what it is when it comes to Nike at this point with quality control. But yeah, this shoe is actually really nice. So again, if you guys remember the Travis Scott shoe, a lot of people, myself included, thought this would be like the inverse to that, but it ended up not being that way. It's ended up going to be its own shoe. And it released in Europe, and this is the reason why I was able to cop a size. These already released in Europe. We set the release on Sneakers app in May, I believe. These got pushed back. Flight Club has pairs. StockX has pairs. GOAT has pairs. A lot of people have pairs so far on these, and the resale is extremely low on these. And that's another reason why I think a lot of people aren't really feeling these, because again, if the resale ain't really too good, they're not really want them. I want you guys to take a look at these from a standpoint of the shoe. Again, this shoe is not bad. The shoe is not bad. As you see, there is the black and red right here on that little tab. We got the white little mesh tongue right here. Mesh tongue. It's not really a mesh tongue. I always forget what this material actually is. Again, we went over the toe and we did go over the leather. So the white leather isn't really too premium, but they have tumbled leather on here and it's really dope. And you do have the red outsole right here. So this is actually pretty dope. I actually do like these shoes. One of the things I might do with these shoes is age them. I've seen a lot of people do aging, and I was definitely gonna do it. And then I see somebody do it, and I was like, damn, beat me to it. But it still looks dope. So I might do the aging process on this only because it looks super clean that way. And so that'd be kind of be a dope thing to do for these shoes. If we do open this shoe up, again, That white inside with the Nike right there. These do come with another pair of red laces. I did see red laces on these, so I might do red laces on these because I kind of think it looks cool. It looks better with the red laces. So if you also follow Unbreakable Kicks, he was going through, hey, what do these shoes remind him of the most? And the shoe that he came up with was the Air Jordan red ones. Now, the reds are different. As you see, this is a different type of red. But if you see the shoe, similar to the boxes, the reds are in similar places, and the black and white has changed on it. Because if you look at this is an old and like an early 2000 pair, so I don't have the Nike tongue on this one. I'll put the image up. But the tongues are the same. It's the same black and red tongue, but all the areas of where it's white, it's black, and as you see that there, so that was his comparison. That was his comparison on what the crazy part is. As you randomly see magically my lights turned on, I didn't realize my light turned on in the back. So oh well, it is what it is at this point.
Wait, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
But as you see, what do you guys think of the shoe? A lot of people calling these bricks. A lot of people saying they're not going to sell anymore. They're saying the Jordan 1 is done. Like the Brotherhoods are sitting, and they're sitting on Sneakers app right now, and they're saying they hit outlets. These haven't really shot up because they're super low right now, especially since they only released in Europe so far. What do you guys think about this shoe? Is this a cop for you? Is this a miss for you? Is this one of them shoes where you're just like, nah, we ain't feeling that? Or are you feeling it? I've seen a lot of people put some great outfits with these together. I see a lot of people do some custom with these, and it looks really dope. So for you guys, what do you guys feel about this shoe? Is this a cop or is this not a cop? Let me know in the comments. Again, a lot of people are sleeping on this shoe. A lot of people don't think this is going to do numbers or none of that. As for me, you know I rock what I buy. I don't really buy for resale, but this shoe is actually really clean. It's really classical, and I'm glad I got a pair of them early. They were really, really cheap. And not really cheap. Not like cheap, like, oh yeah, I got these from a, you know what kind of site, but like,
Stop it. Get some help.
It wasn't really selling for much. People got them to resell, and the resale was $10, $20 over, and your boy had to swoop on it. So for you guys, what do you guys think about this shoe? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if this is a cop for you. It's your boy Sneakerhead on a budget. I'll be here doing more reviews and more other things. Peace. We're trying to get to 1K. Love ya.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.